Swagger.
YouTube, and we back with another video. Now today, this is a familiar face for y'all, but today my boy, he got the Freeforms and we still rocking the low taper with him. And now if you haven't, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you click that bell notification. Now to start off, we're gonna go ahead and go with our ball guideline. Now we're going in with our lever open. Now this, you want to take up about a finger's width, and then make sure you also comb it back down, or comb and or brush. Me, I like to use the brush, but make sure you just really find a system that works for you, and then, you know, just improve upon it as time goes on. And now we're following up with our one guard with the same width that we're going up that we did with our lever open. The length that I had took down the hair width was a lever open with the one guard on top, so it was a 1.5. And yeah, as you see, doing this actually beforehand actually helps it blend together even better. So I recommend doing it beforehand before you start your blend work. And now we're coming in with our lever closed, and then we're just gonna open up the lever as we go up in the blend. Now we're coming in with that half guard. It's pretty much the same follow-up that you did with the one guard closed, and then open up your lever as you go up in the blend. And now we're coming in with our lever closed, and then we're gonna start from all the way from the bottom where we started with our lever open, and then just come up into our half guard closed. So make sure you're also opening up your lever as you go up, how you did with your half guard and one guard lever closed. Now we're starting on this nape line. Now I didn't record the other side because I genuinely forgot to. But now to start this off, I started in the middle, and then this is to also create our framework as well. So you want to start in the middle and then work your way on down if you're left-handed. And if you're right-handed, you know, you're just gonna move your hand to the left simply. And just follow down. Don't try to go too far into the person's neck, because remind you still gotta fade it. And as you come up, don't go too high above the ear, because you don't want the whole line sitting above the ear. You know, just simply follow the way the hair goes. Make sure you also cut it down in length beforehand, because we also did that with a one guard as well, just in case, you know, anybody that needs to know that. And then, you know, for the curvature around the ear, you just want to simply take it and, you know, follow with the corner of your blade. Do not use the full blade. Take the corner of your blade. Simply, you know, allow the hair to be heard or, you know, cut, and then, you know, simply curve it over the ear as if you would do a C cup. start off our neck taper, we're going to start with our ball guideline. And yes, it's pretty much the same steps that we did on the side taper, but I'm still going to give y'all a follow-through explanation on how to do this. And yes, you want to make sure after you create your ball guideline, make sure it's also straight, flat across, pretty much how you would do lining up the front of, someone's line. And, we're going to go ahead and begin our fading process into this. Now, before we start our back taper, we're taking everything down with a 1 guard. So once we get into fading, everything will transition smoothly. Since we're in the back of the head now, you can make this guideline a bit bigger, and we're just going to simply go up a bit and then, follow up with the 1 guard after that. Now we're coming in with our 1 guard. Now we're gonna go up to his parting region with this 1 guard, and then just blend our way on back down. And now we're starting our transition from 1 guard open, and now we're gonna close the lever halfway. Now we're coming in with our half guard with our lever closed, and you just want to feather softly with this guard, and just as you go, just open up your lever as you tap it, then feather it the hairs, brush it back down, comb it back down, open it up, maybe close it, just lever play with it really. Now we're going lever closed and just simply following up how we did with the half guard, and just work our way into the blend and also detail once we get it lever open. All right, Faith fam. So I got a question for everybody, that watch the NBA and everything. So, how y'all feel about Westbrook retiring? Because I ain't gonna lie, that hit me. I was like, okay, yeah, we getting older, big dog. Because, even reflecting on his 2020 game, that was just one of the dopest games to even just watch itself. But then again, just seeing his retirement was a big reflection. It was one of the moments where you look in the mirror yeah, we getting older. It's time left, but it ain't too much. So as we keep on going with this journey, as we finna follow up into the lineup, now make sure you want to start in the middle here and then just follow your way to the east side. But yeah, it definitely made it reflective though, cause man, it is 2026. We is finna hit 2030 before you know it. That is kind of crazy. But yeah, also working the C-cups, just simply take the corner of your blade and then, scoop down. But don't press too hard into the skin, you're gonna hurt somebody. Now, when hitting the bottom of the C-cup, you wanna lay the blade flat, just how you would with doing the front line. And then, work your way back up with that corner of your blade. Mainly, well, you could just mimic it how I'm doing here. But, that's it. It take time with the reps. But yeah, not thinking about it. Yeah, seeing Westbrook retire, that was a big, mirror, staring yourself in the mirror moment. Hey, big dog, we got to lock in. So, yeah, y'all definitely finna see more videos from me. And we just gonna keep on going up. Make sure y'all go ahead and like, comment, and sub. And also follow me on my new IG. RS6 3 O's. The letters, not the zeros. But yeah, we almost done with this chop. I hope y'all like it. If you haven't, go ahead and give your boy a like. Just give me a like. But yeah, for the lineup though, we want to simply start in the middle and then work your way to the side, and just keep that blade flat among that whole motion. Once you tap, go down and then pull away. Tap, pull down, away. Tap, pull down, away. It's simple motions, really. But here, turn it, blade flat. And then, C-cups is the same as the other side. Just, repeat the same process, really. Okay, yes, we doing the enhancements, but listen. It's my boy's birthday, so we know we gotta get my boy right. So if you haven't already, go ahead and comment happy birthday to let me know how long you don't watch the video. So that let me know you're a real one too. So I rock with you. So throw a like on the video to let me know as well. Yeah, they're real sweet. Thank you. Now back to the video. But yeah, we're doing the enhancements. Now, y'all remember last time, if you watched the video with him, I only had my fibers. So this time, we get my boy right with the spray enhancements and the fibers. So, double. Yeah. Now, with the spray, you want to make sure you spray it evenly. And then also, really, this is to capture onto the skin. So, yeah, that's the only thing this is really going to hit on for real. And don't overspray this, bro. Don't make somebody look like they got just black all over their forehead, man. You gotta make it look even. So what we're gonna do is spray a little bit, take it away, spray again, take it away, spray again, take it away. All right, move on to the next area. You just gotta make it pretty simple like that, and then as you keep going with your rips, you'll definitely get faster, and then shoot, before you know it, you might even cut faster than me. Yeah, okay, so right here, I was trying to use it again so we can get a strong looking C-cup. And as you see, nothing, absolutely pixie dust. Yeah, so we was like, all right, cool, just switch to the fibers. We're just gonna switch to the fibers. And as you see, anyway, now we're just gonna work on the vertical bar, and you know, now you pretty much do the hair fibers the same way you do your spray enhancements, just the same follow-up. And go along the line and boom, 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 boom. Now we're lining their boy back up. Also, Faye Fam, all my equipment is in the description, so make sure you check that out. So, you know, you can go ahead and find you something down below. Alright, now we're finna get into our razor plate. Hold on, let me switch the angle. Alright. Now, you want to go ahead and, you know, pull with your opposite hand, the forehead, and then with the hand that you have your razor in, you want to scrape smoothly across, not raggedly to where it skips on the skin. So, you know, we not trying to cut nobody. Let's just be real. So, you want to make sure this is smooth. Not, you know, tug and then scrape. Tug, scrape. No. Tug, glide. Tug, glide. Same with the front hairline. Tug, glide, glide. I'm just doing repeated motions because you're going to do the same thing as I'm doing right now once you start razoring. So, make sure you do it gently. You don't have to put your whole hand weight into it. Now, my Faye family, this is the before. As we see, his Freeform seeing over, you know, everything we done worked on. But that ain't the point, you know, this is just the before. So as we commence the rest of this spin, let's get it in and lock in for this beautiful transformation. Now, if you ain't like this video, what you doing, bro? What you doing? And we did a design for my boy birthday. He don't need ask it. Peace, Faye fam.
Swagger.